Hello guys, welcome to another topic and another lesson. So guys, today our topic is prohibition of interest or usury. So what is usury? The principles of Islamic finance are established in Quran, which Muslims believe are the exact words of God and ethical standard. The second guiding principle concerns the ethical standard. When Muslims invest their money in something, it is their religious duty or to ensure that what they invest in it good or wholesome. It is for this reason that Islamic investing includes serious consider for the business to be invested, moral and social values, liability and business risks. And the next part is differentiating features of Islamic and conventional bank. Conventional banking. The function and operating modes of conventional banks are based on man-made principles. And Islamic banking, the functions and operation modes of Islamic banks are based on principles of Sharia and divine guidance. Money is treated as commodity, besides medium of exchange and store of values. Therefore, it can be sold price higher than its face value. It can be also rented out. Money is not regarded as a commodity, though it is used as a medium of exchange and store of value. It cannot be sold at a price higher than its face value or rented out. Conventional banking practices are concerned with the elimination of risks. Reward should be a consequence of undertaking a risk. It's all about risk taking and risk sharing. The investor is assured of a predetermined rate of interest. In contrast, it promotes risk sharing between provider and capital and the user of funds. Time values is the basis for charging interest in capital. In contrast, it promotes risk sharing between provider of capital and the user of fund. Time value is the basis for charging interest on capital. Profit on trade of goods and charging on providing service is the basic earning of. Interest is charged even in case of organization suffers losses by using bank fund. Therefore, it is in the based on profit and loss sharing. Islamic banks operate on the basis of profit and loss. In case business has suffered losses, the bank will share these losses based on the flow. While distributing cash finance, running finance or other finance, capital finance, no agreement for exchange of the execution of agreements for the exchange of goods service is a must. While distributing funds, the marhaba. Some of the major advantage of Islamic bank. So justice and fairness, liquidity, better customer relations, no fixed obligations, and there are many more as like, hold on a second, transparency, ethical and moral dimension. There is strong ethical and dimension, destabilization, speculations, banking for all. Our second part is what is bank? Introduction. What is bank account? Yeah, okay. So guys, what do you know about bank account? Tell me. So guys, let's say a bank account is a financial account maintained by a financial institution for a customer. The most important function of a bank is to accept deposits from the public. Customers deposit their various and savings and earning interest. A bank provides facilities to open various types of accounts, keeping in mind needs of customers. Generally, the bank accounts are classified into three categories: the current account, the fixed deposit, and the saving deposit accounts. It is important to out there are rates of interest offered by different banks under different schemes. Do not vary much because these are government of the relatives from as the Bangladesh bank. No bank is allowed to pay higher rate of interest under any scheme as it prescribed by the Bangladesh bank. The rates are prescribed by the Bangladesh bank, taking into consideration the period of deposit. How to open a bank account? Today, bank account emerged as important financial institution. Bank provide a safe environment and help us manage our financial transaction. Opening a bank account is not a difficult task. It is only 7 steps to open a bank account. These 7 simple steps or procedures are decided the type of a bank account, meet in bank officer, fill up the form, give references, submit the form, bank verifies proposal form, deposit initial bank account. Advantages of opening a bank account. A bank account provides facilities to open a various types of account, keeping in mind the needs of customer. There are many advantages of opening bank accounts which are given below. Facilities a safe custody, helping in making payments, help in collection of money, provide advance loans, helping in smooth transaction. Types of a bank account. Types of a bank account. There are 3 types of a bank account. Savings account, number 1. Saving accounts, number 2. Fixed deposit, number 3. Current accounts. Saving account. A saving account is an interest-bearing deposit account held at a bank and other financial institution that provides a moderate interest rate. According to saving account is an account meant for individuals who like to save for meeting their future financial requirement. Fixed deposit account, normally it will be fixed, we say. Current accounts. A current account is a personal bank account which you can take money or at any using time your checkbook or cash card. Features of current bank account. A current account is a personal bank account. You can take money out of any time using your checkbook or cash card. The main features of current accounts are follows. Current bank accounts are operated to run a business. It is non-interest bearing bank account. It needs a higher minimum balance to maintain. It penalty charge minimum balance is not maintained in the current account. It is a continuous nature, is a fixed period of a hold account. It does not promote saving habits and account holders. Advantages of current bank account. It enables business to carry out their business transaction properly and promptly. The business can withdraw from their current accounts without any limit. There are no restrictions on deposit made in the current account opened in a home branch of a bank. It helps business to make a direct payment to their creditors by issuing checks, demand drafts or pay order, etc. It enables a bank to collect money or behave its customers and credit the same in their customers' current accounts. It enables the current account holder to obtain overdraft. The creditors of the account holder can get credit or then information of the account holder interbank connection. It facilitates the industrial progress of the country. Without its help, business would face difficulties in running their business. It has the facilities of internet banking and mobile banking to carry out important business transactions with ease and quickly. It also provides various other innovations such as deposit, withdrawal of money of any location, multi-location, funds transfer, etc. So here are today, no more today. See you tomorrow with another lesson. Goodbye.